What is this?
Madam, this is a car.
It's not a car. This used to be a car. This is why don't you let the dead rest in peace? Why don't you leave the ghosts to lie and roll? What is this? This is like piece of metal put together just to be moving on the road. Do you know you're endangering people's health by driving something that is similar to a car but not a car?
Madam, how am I endangering people's...
This is a DMC. Do you know what DMC means? Diarrhea, measles, and coccidiosis. These are diseases. Do you have a driving permit? Do you have a third party? Do you have a road license? Do you have a letter from a minister of health? Do you have your vaccination certificate? There is very little you have,
Madam,
and you're moving on the road.
This is a car. Vaccination is not for cars.
This has stopped being a car because from what I'm saying, it's supposed to be resting somewhere in a comfortable place, in a peaceful place, living its life like a superstar. But now you're torturing something that has already died. It has a skin disease. How can a machine have human being disease? You were driving here. It sounded like whooping cough.
This is because no, I left the car in the garage for some time. That's why it happened like that.
Exactly. This car belongs in a garage. It should not be doing anything on the road. That's why it's supposed to be in a garage, just chilling. But it has a process. You are driving here. It sounded like it had whooping cough. When you are driving, it was shaking like this, as if you have whooping cough, as if your tires are like this. That's nodding disease.
Madam, what
is nodding disease? As a matter of fact, this car has the 6 killer diseases. All of them. It's not supposed to be on the road. What is it doing on the road to affect other people? This is not correct. So simple solution. Either you deal with me, the plastic hand of the law, or you deal with the metallic hand of the government. I can call Officer Oporod. Officer Oporod.
No, madam, you don't need to.
We are calling for danger. Over.
Madam, you don't need to get that far.
So you think like a man. It's correct.
You don't need to be like that.
You see, usually, actually, it's actually really mentally correct for you to just put it in the pocket. In the pocket. That's how it usually happens. This car, me, I'm telling you, some things like the museum, people go to the museum to watch legendary things. You bring us the museum on the road.
Okay.
Okay. Go please, go please.